Hey everyone, welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to install the Xfinity Self-Install Kit for 2025. If you're upgrading your home internet or setting it up for the first time, don't worry, this step-by-step tutorial will get you connected in under 30 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, unbox your kit. You'll find the modem, power cord, coaxial cable, and any additional items like a router. Double-check everything is there to make sure you have all the pieces. Next, plug in the modem. Connect the power cord to the modem and then into a nearby outlet. Give it a minute or two for the lights to turn on and stabilize. This indicates it's powering up correctly. Now, connect the coaxial cable. Screw one end into the back of the modem and the other into the cable outlet on your wall. If your setup includes a router, use an Ethernet cable to link the modem to the router's WAN port. Once everything is hooked up, it's time to activate your service. Download the Xfinity app on your phone or go to their website. Enter the activation code provided in your kit and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After activation, test your connection. Open a web browser, load a few pages, or stream some video to ensure your internet is running smoothly. If you notice any issues, like slow speeds, restart the modem or check your cables. And there you have it, your Xfinity setup is complete. This 2025 kit includes some new features for better security and speed, so enjoy the upgrade. If you run into any problems, Xfinity's support team is just a call away. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.